everyone, in this video we are going to understand what is a polymorphism and its types and how it implemented in test automation framework. So what is a polymorphism? One object which has many forms. Okay, so if talking about real world analogy, there is a speaker which is a one object and which is producing multiple outputs, like we'll use it for music player, we'll use it for phone call, or to set up alarm. For that purpose, means one object we are using it for multiple output purpose. Okay, and another one example is there, range is there. Okay, we are using that range for multiple scenarios, like tightens a nut, loosen a pipe, or used as lever purpose. Okay, so this way we can able to achieve polymorphism in a practical scenarios. Okay, in a real world entities. So how it implemented in like our programming. So polymorphism has two types. One is compile time polymorphism and another one is runtime polymorphism. So for compile time polymorphism, we can another way called it as method overloading, and runtime polymorphism another way we can call it as method overriding. So these two way we can able to achieve compile time and runtime polymorphism. Okay, so definition, what is the definition? Method overloading, the method with the same name but a different parameter within a single class. If there is a class inside, one method is there, we are using that method multiple times only by changing the signature in it. Signature means parameters, different parameters like int a, like string a. So only we are changing the parameters and using it inside of one class. So we call it as method overloading. And another one is method overriding, redefining a base class method in a subclass, like by using an inheritance concept, by using an extend keywords, we are extending the parent properties into the child properties. Okay, but here we are using same method signature. Okay, because here we are doing the relation in between parent and child, so because of that. Okay, determination, how it determined by, it resolved by compiler at compile time and it resolved by JVM at runtime, because we'll face this issue inside at the time of compilation. This compile time polymorphism will get it at the time of compiler, so it got resolved also at the time of compilation. And same way we can able to face the runtime polymorphism while running the program, so it will resolve as well at the time of runtime as well. Okay, parameters, as I said earlier, it must be a different, it must be identical. So here because here we have parent child relationship, so here we use inheritance concept. Because of that, the method signature will be the same for both. And here inside of one class we are using a different method by changing only the method signature, like okay, parameters by using a different parameters. If talking about speed, it faster determined earlier because we are doing it only the single class, so because of that it works faster. And slightly slower because required dynamic dispatch, because we are doing an inheritance concept. So because of inheritance we are inheriting some properties, so because of that it took a little bit much time. Okay, and visual symbol, it gears icons like compiler pointing, and same here will runtime dispatch pointing. Okay, because we'll face this while running time. Okay, we'll see how it implemented in practical way. Hello everyone. For practical way, if there is an application which is a banking in nature or financial application is there, and we'll have to do some payment gateway. Okay, so if there is a class, payment gateway class is there, class is there, and inside a payment class we have one method which is payment gateway method. And okay, payment gateway class is there, and inside a payment gateway class we have process payment method is there. Okay, so we had implemented this method multiple times. Okay, and here we are doing a payment by using a credit card. You see here credit card, by using a email, PayPal email, and other way is crypto address. Okay, three way we are doing a payment. Okay, so method name is same. Okay, we are just changing the parameters in it in a single same class. Okay, in a same class we had implemented one method which has a different parameter. Okay, so this way we can able to achieve what? Method overloading or method overriding. This way we can able to achieve method overloading. So if there is a data, if there is a test automation framework, we want to import a data from Excel sheet. There is employee information we'll have to import. So for one scenario we need only ID and roll number. So another one is ID, roll number, salary slip. So this way we can able to, by changing the parameters, we can able to get that information, fetch that information. For that purpose, in a real world, in a real test automation framework, we will use method overloading concept. Okay, another one method, another one real world example is that. So here you see some, this is a one class. Some method overloading, this is a one class. Inside that class you'll see add, it just added, just you see here the different parameters are there, and we are doing arithmetic operation here. Okay, method name is same, method name is here. Everywhere you see the method name is here, only we are doing arithmetic operation by changing, by adding some extra parameters in it. So this way we can able to achieve method overloading in a